Good morning, Class 1. It's your science book, Inspiring Science 1. Chapter 8 Keeping Fit, page number 45. Keeping fit means to stay healthy. Now, the question arises why we need to keep ourselves healthy. So, we keep ourselves healthy to stay happy and enjoy the life. Now, to keep ourselves fit, we need to follow some rules and we have to study those rules in little bit detail. Firstly, we will discuss exercise and play. We should exercise daily as it makes our body healthy and strong. Whenever you do exercise, you feel hungry as it also helps in digesting the food. And you also feel tired as it also helps you to sleep well. So we should play and run daily to keep ourselves fit and healthy. But we should avoid running and playing after eating food. Secondly, we will discuss about the correct posture. Now the question arises, what is posture? Posture is the way you hold your body. It is basically the way you sit, you stand, and you walk. So we must always walk upright and sit and stand in a good posture to keep our body fit, and it also make you look very smart. Thirdly, we will discuss about rest and sleep as it also helps to keep our body healthy and fit. As you are active during the whole day, so your body needs some rest after that. You need rest for about 9 hours. So we should sleep early at night and wake up early. As there is a quote, early to bed, early to rise makes the man healthy, wealthy and wise. So before sleeping, we should wear clean clothes and sleep on a clean bed. And never cover our face with a blanket or some other stuff because it will not allow the fresh air to come. And most importantly, always brush your teeth before sleeping. This is also very important to keep ourselves healthy and fit. So in the end, we can say that exercise, play, good posture and rest and sleeps makes the man healthy and fit. Now we will do the bookwork of this chapter. So let's get started. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with correct option. Number 1. A healthy person dash life, hates life or enjoy life. So as we have already discussed that keeping fit means to keep ourselves healthy, and we keep ourselves healthy to stay happy and enjoy the life. So a healthy person dash life, enjoys life. So here we will write enjoy. Number 2, exercise makes you dash, dull or strong. Now these are the two options. Now you people tell me, whenever we do exercise, we become dull or we become strong? Obviously, we become strong. So exercise is very important and we should do exercise daily. So here we will write strong. Number 3, dash is the way you hold your body, posture or walk. So there are two options. Now we have already discussed here, we have discussed posture is the way you hold your body. So here we will write posture because good posture make you fit and make you look smart. So here we will write posture. Number 4, always breathe through your dash, nose or mouth. So it is very obvious, always breathe through your nose. So here we will write nose. Number 5, you should get rest for about dash hours. So we have already discussed about it that we need at least 9 hours of rest to keep ourselves healthy and fit. So here we will write 9. Number 6, dash cover your face while sleeping, never or always. So we have already discussed that we should never cover our face while sleeping because it becomes hurdle in fresh air. So here we will write never. Next is B. State whether the following sentences are true or false. So here we have couple of statements and we have to identify whether the statement is true or false. If the statement is true, so we have to put here T, and if the statement is false, so we have to put here F. So let's start. Number 1, you need not exercise to be fit and healthy. So it's false because we need regular exercise to keep ourselves healthy and fit. So here we will write F. F for false. Number 2, you must play every day. So it's true, we should play every day because it keeps ourselves healthy and fit. But we should not play after eating food. So here we will write T, and T means true. 3, you should play soon after eating food. So we have already discussed that we should not play after eating food. So here we will write F, and F means false. Number 4, you must sit straight while watching TV. So good posture is very important. If we are sitting, we should sit straight. If we are walking, we should stand properly, and our good posture help us to keep healthy and fit. So you must sit straight while watching TV. It's true. So here we will write T. Number 5, always breathe through your nose. So it's true that we should always breathe through our nose. So here we will write T, and T means true. Number 6, rest and sleeps make you lazy. So it's false because a lot of rest and sleep make you lazy, but appropriate rest and sleep never make you lazy, but it also keep you fit and healthy. So here we will write F, and F means false. Number 7, you should wake up early in the morning. So it's true because there's a quote also that early to bed, early to rise makes the man healthy, wealthy and wise. So we should wake up early in the morning. So it's true. So here we will write T, and T means true. Now we will do the question answer of this chapter. So let's get started. C. Answer these questions in short. Number 1, why should you exercise every day? So we have already discussed that we should exercise and play every day because it makes us healthy and fit. So in the answer we can write it as that we should exercise every day because it makes our body healthy and fit. Question number 2, what is posture? So as we have already discussed that posture is the way you hold your body. It's a way you sit, stand and you walk. So in the answer we can write it as that posture is the way you hold your body. Question number 3, how should you stand and walk? As we have already discussed that good posture is very important to look smart and even for our healthy body. So we should always stand straight and walk upright. So in the answer we can write it as that we should stand straight and walk upright. Question number 4, how should you sit while doing your homework? So as we have already discussed that body posture is very important in looking smart and in our healthy and fit body. So there is an accurate posture of sitting while doing homework, while reading and while watching TV, etc. So we should always sit straight while doing reading or while writing or while watching TV. So in the answer we can write it as that we should sit straight while doing homework. Question number 5, why does your body need rest? As we have already discussed that we are active during the whole day. That's why our body needs some rest after that because we become tired. So in the answer we can write it as that our body is active for the whole day and that's why we need rest. Question number 6, what is the important thing you should do before sleeping? So as we have already discussed that we should do before sleeping is brushing our teeth. This is very, very important to keep ourselves healthy and fit. So in the answer, we can write it as that we should brush our teeth daily before going to bed or before sleeping.